Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to go over a topology error. So after you create your topology, you might find these point errors, line errors, polygon errors that you might have had given the rules of your topology. So this video is going to focus on a very specific type of topology error called the Midspan Connectivity Not Allowed. So basically what this means is that a line was drawn or a point was put on a line that basically goes from A starting up here down to B down here with either a node or some sort of vertex in between, but the line is one solid line going right through and it has no breaks. Now, if you're looking for a topology that does not allow for midspan connectivity, obviously this isn't allowed given the rules, so how do we fix this? Well, the fastest way to fix this is you can split the line. And so that's what we're going to do today, is we're just going to go ahead, split the line, and make it into a two separate line features with data that will be collected for both as individuals instead of one collective line. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our select, and we're going to grab the line that's right here. And as you can see, the line is all the way through, and we have our point in the center. We're going to come over here to edit, and then we're going to grab the thing right here, the split function right here. Now, if your point is exactly where you want it to be, and if it's running on the line, through the line, and a snap to the line, then the best way to do this is just to bring the snip right over to your point. Instead of trying to like snip it somewhere else, move the stuff around, just bring it right to your point and you can click right there. And what it will do is it'll split the line at your piece right there. And now you don't have to go through re-snapping lines. So we'll go ahead and save it. And I like to clear my selections, and then we can go back over here to our trace network, and we can just come here, validate our current extent, and voila, we have our midspan connectivity error, topology error fixed, corrected, and done. Thanks for watching.